So you're done building your beautiful app and you're ready to publish it, but you first need to figure out how you're going to make money from this. Now, of course, maybe it's free, but assuming you want some sort of return on your investment, how would you do that in FlutterFlow? Well, there are 3 ways. The first way is to charge for the app. That's where you're in the App Store or Play Store and you see how much it is and then you buy it. And the way you set that up is in the App Store and Play Store. The second way is to charge for a subscription. You've seen those, they look like this. This is where the user will be billed on some sort of interval, like monthly or yearly, for your app. Now, the App Store and Play Store each have their own APIs for setting up subscriptions, but FlutterFlow has a native integration with RevenueCat. This allows you to set up subscriptions for both the App Store and Play Store in one central location. Lastly, in-app purchases. And these are just when you sell goods or services in your app. So it could be products or merchandise or coaching. And FlutterFlow has 2 integrations to facilitate this, Stripe and Braintree. So those are the 3 ways to make money with your app. But this is for mobile devices. What if you have a web app too? Well, then things are slightly different. Because there's no centralized location where you're getting apps, charging for an app is just for mobile. Or more precisely, if you charge for a web app, it's normally in the form of a subscription. And you can use RevenueCat for both mobile and web. To accept payments on the web, you also have to use Stripe. They have documentation on this, and we'll make a video about it. And you can use the Stripe and Braintree integrations on web as well. There are also many other payment processors for both subscription and in-app purchases that you can easily integrate through our API module. And that's payments in FlutterFlow.